been out here watching the seagulls. They're just on the other side of the flood wall out there. In a minute they should be popping back up, but they have little shells that they pick up and then they drop them, and then they pick them up again and drop them until they get them open. Pretty smart. So of course they're not going to do it now. You can see it snowing though. It works like that, right? You see something cool, you get your phone camera, get back, and it's not doing it anymore. Oh wow. Gorgeous day. Oh, there's one. Maybe we'll see him fly and drop. Or not. Very, very much filled with cold weather out there. I'm just gonna stay put. There's one. Watch him, he drops it, and then he drops it back down. Well, at least we saw one do it. Interesting, isn't it? That's the Salish Sea out there. I'm house sitting. I'm quite fortunate. I do not get to live here full time, but I get to live here a lot, and that's cool.